Good morning, students, teachers, and all staff at Furry Elementary. Can I please have your attention for the announcements? Well, welcome everyone to the final day of this school week, which also means that we've reached the final day of this year's Teacher Appreciation Week. And as we've gone over all throughout the week of what teachers have done and continue to do to make positive differences for each of you and all of Furry every day, and as well, we've gone over what we can do to make positive differences for our teachers. Let's remember that just because this week is dedicated as Teacher Appreciation Week, it doesn't mean it's the only week we can show appreciation and make positive differences for them. In fact, the same can be said about other weeks or other days, that are dedicated to something such as Mother's Day this weekend. Mother's Day is a great day to show appreciation and recognize all of the mothers in the world. But we can and we should do the work to show appreciation and make positive differences for them every day. And showing appreciation, doing the work to make positive differences for others, really demonstrates our Pirate Way beliefs of building trust and connecting. So finish off this school week making sure your teachers know how much you appreciate them and what they do. Say thank you, share a story, bring them a smile, or even compliment them and let them know that what they do is amazing. Now, when we do the work to be the best versions of ourselves, we will make above the line choices no matter who is looking or even if no one is looking at all. And we will make above the line choices without expecting or needing to have everyone to compliment us and tell us that we're doing a good job. We work to be the best versions of ourselves because it's the Pirate Way. And your teachers model that every day with their work. So even though that they do the work to make positive differences for you every day, inside and outside of school, no matter what, and no matter who is looking, let's make sure we say thank you. And let's make sure we know that they are appreciated. And I, for one, would like to say thank you to all the teachers for doing the work, for making those positive differences for our students and everyone here at Furry each and every day. And now will everyone please stand, face the flag, put your right hand over your heart, and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Pirate Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. At Furry Elementary School, we work to build trust so we can count on each other. We own our responses and take responsibility for our actions. We work to connect as pirates and support one another. We learn the Pirate Way so we can be the best versions of ourselves. All right. Thank you, everyone. Today is Friday, May 12th, 2023. And for lunch today, it will be toasted cheese, green beans, and assorted ices. If you're choosing a sandwich today, it's either ham and cheese or peanut butter and jelly. We have one birthday to celebrate in Furry today. Happy birthday to Nolan Frederick, who gets to celebrate his birthday with the Furry team. And a couple birthdays over the weekend. Happy early birthday to Carter Bridges and Crew Catalupi who get to celebrate their birthdays over the weekend. We hope all of you students have a wonderful, wonderful day and enjoy getting a year older. And as we continue on with our summer birthdays, yesterday we were able to wrap up all of the birthdays for the month of June, and we're now moving on to the month of July. So these students are going to celebrate their birthdays early on in July, and we want to say happy early birthday to Mason Stevens, Brindley Fullerton, Connor Common, Samuel Torek, Elliot Schultz, Aria Wineland, Dominic Bermelin, Landon Trout, Colton Johnson, Michael Lapata, and Dominic Pacino. Happy early birthday to all of those students who will get to celebrate early on in July. And an academic congratulations to recognize this morning. Congratulations to second grade student Reese Miller for passing the subtraction facts, and that's on the extra math program in Mrs. Kanya's class. Well done to Reese and to all of those students who continue doing the work to improve the best versions of their academic selves. And now we'll take that moment to just press pause and get our minds right and think about what can we do to keep showing appreciation for our teachers today and every other day. And remember that we can press pause and get our minds right like this all throughout the day whenever we need it. So let's go ahead and first start by breathing in for 4 and hold. Now breathe out. All right, well done, boys and girls. I have just one other announcement for you this morning. Our first grade students are going on their field trip today, and they'll be heading to the Imagination Station to do some learning off-site and outside of Furry today. So to our first grade students, let's remember when we are going somewhere else, we are representing yourself, your classroom, your teachers, and all of Furry. So when we go to learn somewhere else, let's make sure that we're showing everyone else what it means to live the pirate way. And also, we want to make sure we show appreciation and say thank you to all of the adult chaperones who have come in today to be able to help you out. Let's make sure we're listening to them and following their directions because they're taking time out of their day to make sure your field trip can happen today. So thank you to all of them. And that's going to be it for the announcements this morning. So let's just keep doing the work to build trust, to own, and to connect. Let's make it a great day, Furry.